Hello everyone, welcome back to Nattiebama WebDesign Academy. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the most confusing topics for beginners, WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. A lot of people think they are the same thing, but they are actually very different. By the end of this video, you'll understand which one is best for your website and business goals. WordPress.com is a hosted website platform. This means WordPress handles the hosting and technical maintenance for you. It's easier for beginners because setup is simple, and you don't need to manage hosting yourself. However, WordPress.com has limitations depending on the plan you choose. Some advanced customization features, plugins, and monetization options may require paid upgrades. WordPress.org is the self-hosted version of WordPress. This means you buy your own hosting and domain name, then install WordPress yourself. With WordPress.org, you have full control over your website. You can install themes, plugins, customize your website completely, and even create online stores, membership sites, or business websites without limitations.
Hosting. WordPress.com hosts the website for you. WordPress.org requires you to buy hosting separately. Customization. WordPress.org gives full customization freedom. WordPress.com limits customization unless you upgrade to higher plans.
Plugins. With WordPress.org, you can install almost any plugin. With WordPress.com, plugin access depends on your subscription plan.
Monetization. WordPress.org allows you to fully monetize your website using ads, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and more. WordPress.com has restrictions on some monetization methods.
Maintenance. With WordPress.com, maintenance is handled for you. With WordPress.org, you manage updates, backups, and security, although many hosting companies make this easy.
If you simply want a personal blog with minimal setup, WordPress.com can work. But if you want to, start a business website, become a web designer, build e-commerce stores, learn professional website development, monetize your website fully, then I strongly recommend WordPress.org.
For beginners who want long-term growth and professional skills, WordPress.org is usually the better option. It gives you flexibility, ownership, and the ability to grow your website without major limitations. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly website tutorials. Comment below and let me know which WordPress topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.